Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text-to-speech on TikTok. Let's get started. First, upload your video that you want to edit, and in here you just click on the text at the top. Click on it and then writing, maybe a tutorial, text to speech on and TikTok like this. And okay, and then you just click on done at the top like this. If you wanna make this tag to text to speech effect, so you just click on the text, and in here you just click on the text to speech. In here, click on it and please.
Tutorial text to speech on TikTok.
Okay, so that's how to make tutorial text to speech on TikTok. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.